Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your Chromebook. Many Chromebooks offer direct support for Android applications, making it straightforward to install and enjoy your favorite mobile games. First, you will need to confirm that your device is running the latest Chrome OS version. This ensures you have access to all necessary features and the best performance. Also, quickly check if your particular Chromebook model supports Android apps, as a few older models might not. To get started, open your Chromebook settings menu. You can usually find this by clicking on the time in the bottom right corner and then selecting the gear icon. Once in settings, look for the Apps section. Here, you will find an option to enable the Google Play Store. Simply toggle this on and accept the terms of service. This crucial step allows your Chromebook to download and run thousands of Android applications, including Brawl Stars. With the Google Play Store now enabled, you can open it just like any other application on your Chromebook. Once the Play Store loads, use the search bar at the very top to type in Brawl Stars. Make sure to select the official game developed by Supercell from the search results. Then, simply click the Install button. The game will download and install automatically, typically taking only a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once Brawl Stars is installed, you can launch it and start playing. For the best experience, you might want to adjust the in-game graphics settings to suit your Chromebook's capabilities, perhaps lowering them slightly for smoother frame rates. Many players also find that using a Bluetooth controller significantly enhances gameplay, offering more precise control than the touchscreen or trackpad. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection for competitive online matches, and close any other apps running in the background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.